যদিহে এতিয়ালৈকে আমাৰ এই চেনেলকেইটা ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই, চেনেলকেইটা ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিবা আৰু কাষতে থকা ঘণ্টা বুটামটো টিপি দিবলৈ একেবাৰে
মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, তোমালোক সকলোকে আমাৰ এই চেনেলটোলৈ পুনৰবাৰ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টিত মই তোমালোকৰ বাবে লৈ আহিছোঁ শিৱসাগৰ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ ক্লাছ 10ৰ প্ৰি বৰ্ড এক্সামৰ 2023 চনৰ ইংলিছৰ এখন কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ। ইয়াতে 45টা MCQ টাইপৰ কুৱেশ্যন দিছিলে, গতিকে সেইকেইটাৰ উত্তৰখিনি মই তোমালোকক কৰি দিছোঁ। 1 নম্বৰত দিছিল দ্য ফিল্ড ৱাজ হোৱাইট এজ ইফ কভাৰ্ড উইথ। অপশ্যনসমূহ দিছিলে এ পিয়াৰ্ছ, বি চল্ট, চিকুৱেঞ্চ, ডি হেইলছ। কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰটি হৈছে অপশ্যন নম্বৰ বি চল্ট। 2 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যন, হোৱাই ডিড লেঞ্চো ৰাইট দ্য ছেকেণ্ড লেটাৰ টু গড। লেঞ্চোৱে দ্বিতীয়খন লেটাৰ ভগৱানলৈ কিয় লিখিছিল? কাৰণ লেঞ্চোৱে প্ৰথম যিখন লেটাৰ পাইছিলে ভগৱানৰ পৰা, তাত কিমান পেচেজ পাইছিলে? 70 পেচেজ। বাকী থকা 30 পেচেজ বিচাৰি তেওঁ চিঠিখন লিখিছিলে, গতিকে অপশ্যন ডি হ'ব শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ, টু আস্ক ফৰ 30 পেচেজ। কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 3, হোৱাট অলৱেজ প্ৰমিছড এ গুড হাৰ্ভেষ্ট টু লেঞ্চো। ইয়াৰ অপশ্যনসমূহ মই কৈ নাথাকোঁ, ডাইৰেক্ট আনচাৰটো কৈ দিছোঁ। শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ বি, টু ৰাইপ কৰ্ণফিল্ড ডটেড উইথ ফ্লাৱাৰ্ছ। Question number 4, what kind of existence, according to Mandela, did the dark-skinned people have before independence? Option D have correct answer, twilight. Question number 5, what became the greater hunger for Mandela that he had to join the African National Congress? Option B have correct answer, hunger for freedom of his people. Question number 6, what can never be counted or repaid? Option A have correct answer, suffering and courage of his people. Question number 7, what are the many surprises that wait to be discovered the visitors who come to Coorg searching for the heart a soul of India? Option B have correct answer, monks in red, ochre and yellow robes. Question number 8, for where do the animals in Coorg keep a watchful eye? The trackers. Option C have a correct answer, tree canopy. Question number 9, what is the district headquarter of Coorg? Option C have a correct answer, Madikeri. Question number 10, what was dwarfing the tiny tea plants? Option B have a correct answer, tall sturdy shade tree. Question number 11, the word Sai and Sini come from? The Sai and Sini word come from চাইনা, চীনৰ পৰা আহিছিলে চাই আৰু চিনি ৱাৰ্ডটো, গতিকে অপশ্যনেই হ'ব শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন 12 নম্বৰ, হোৱাট ৱাজ ৰাজবীৰ ইয়াৰ অন ডুইং? অপশ্যন ডি হ'ব কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰ, টু লুক আউটছাইড এট দ্য বিউটিফুল চিনাৰী। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন 13 নম্বৰ, হোৱাট ডিড দ্য ভেলি ইয়াৰ ওৱান ৱেল ড্ৰেছড মেন চে? অপশ্যন এ হ'ব কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰ, দ্য ফেয়াৰ ৱাজ 30 paise one way, which is almost nothing at all. Question number 14, what was particularly very difficult for Welly to resist at village fair? Option D have a correct answer, merry-go-round. Question number 15, what did Amanda yearn for? Option D have a correct answer, Amanda yearned for freedom. Question number 16, where does Amanda pattern with her bare feet? Option A have a correct answer, soft dust. Question number 17, who is ignoring the visitors? Option A have a correct answer, the tiger in the cage. Next question 18 number, what do animals bring to the poet? Option C have a শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ, অপশ্যন সমূহৰ ভিতৰত tokens of their duty to God. Question number 19, why do humans lie awake in the dark? Option B have a correct answer, they have to weep for their sins. Question number 20, what is the ball poem learning from the experience of losing a ball? Option C have a শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ, learns his first responsibility. Question number 21, how does the boy feel when he loses his ball? Option A have a correct answer, upset. Question number 22, he is learning well behind his desperate eyes. What does desperate here mean? Option C have a correct answer, hopeless. Question number 23, who mourned for the death of the pirate? Option C have a correct answer, no one. Question number 24. Who was Max? Option D have a correct answer. A secret agent. Question number 25. Who was described as having a pointed countenance of a fox? Option D have a correct answer. Max. Question number 26. Horace Denby gets angry when anyone talk about honor among. Option D have a correct answer. Thieves. Question number 27. Who were the only folks who missed seeing the lawyer? Option B have a correct answer. Gustav the barber. Question number 28. What did Griffin pretend to be expecting at any moment? Option A have a correct answer. Check. Question number 29. Whom did Griffin rob all the money he could find and escaped without being seen? Option A have a correct answer. Shopkeeper. Question number 30. My brother is studying in dash European city. Yet about A. My brother is studying in a European university. At city university. Next question 31 number. A busy person has dash time to waste. A busy person has little time to waste. Question number 32. She is gifted dash a sweet voice. Yet about with. She is gifted with a sweet voice. Question number 33. A greedy man hankers dash money. Yet about after. Question number 34. The bright boy could not complete his studies because of his dash. Yet about poverty. Option C have a correct answer. Question number 35. The police had to open fire to disperse the unruly. Yet about mob. Option B have a correct answer. Next question 36 number. He jumped off the bus while it was moving. Option C have a correct answer. Question number 37. He cannot play in the match as he dash his foot. He cannot play in the match as he has injured his foot. Next question 38 number. One's promises should be kept. Option number D2. One should keep one's promises. Question number 39. Some boys from the village broke the window pane. Option C2. The window pane was broken by some boys from the village. Question number 40. The matter was informed to the police. Correct the error in the sentence. Correct korile hobo. The police were informed of the matter. Question number 41. These lines are occurred in the poem Lucy Gray. Correct the error in the sentence. Option D have a correct answer. These lines had occurred in the poem Lucy Gray. Question number 42. Can you ride a bicycle? I asked Gita. I asked Gita if she could ride a bicycle. Question number 43. My friend suggested to me that we should arrange a picnic the following week. Option C have a my friend said to me, let us arrange a picnic the next week. Question number 44. They heard the news. They informed us. Choose the correct combination. Correct combination of option D. As soon as they heard the news, they informed us. Question number 45. The thief heard the police siren. He ran immediately. And above option number A2. No sooner the thief heard the police siren then he ran. Next section bit disil 46 ৰ পৰা ইয়াত 8টা কোৱেশ্চন দিছিলে প্ৰত্যেকটোতে 2 নম্বৰ হৈ আছিল এদিকে চাই যোৱা কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কোৱেশ্চন আহিছিলে আৰু তোমালোকক যদি হে ইয়াৰে পিডিএফ সমূহ লাগে তোমালোকে ডেসক্ৰিপচনত দিয়া লিংকসমূহত ক্লিক কৰি আমাৰ ফেসবুক পেজ হোৱাটসএপ চেনেল টেলিগ্ৰাম চেনেলত ফলো কৰি লবলৈ নাপাহৰিবা তাত তোমালোকে ইয়াৰে পিডিএফ সমূহ পাই যাবা আৰু যিসকল ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰী এতিয়ালৈকে আমাৰ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিয়া নাই চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিবলৈ নাপাহৰিবা লগতে পিডিএফ সমূহ যদি হে লাগে তোমালোকে ডেসক্ৰিপচনত দিয়া লিংকসমূহত ক্লিক কৰি এতিয়াই ফলো কৰি লবা আৰু একেবাৰে ফ্ৰী হয় গতিকে ফলো কৰি লবলৈ তোমালোকে নাপাহৰিবা আৰু পাঠ ভিত্তিক কোৱেশ্চন আনসাৰ সমূহ তাত আপলোড কৰা আছে তোমালোকে তাৰ পৰা লিখি লবলৈ